Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another PC tutorial video. And today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 lagging and slow problem. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, click your start button here and select the setting button here. Just select that option and this window will pop up, and here you can see the option privacy. Click that option, and here you need to turn some feature off to prevent your lagging and slow down. And on the left side you can see the general option. Click that option and turn off all these option, and also speech linking and typing, and just turn off this one. And also diagnostic feedback, just turn off, and go to your location and turn this off also. And camera, turn off this one. And you don't need to turn off microphones, otherwise your microphone won't work. Just go to notification and click turn off. Account info, turn off. Contact, turn off. Calendar, just turn off this. Call history, turn off. Email, turn off. Messaging, turn off. Videos, turn off. Other devices, background applications, turn off. App diagnostics, turn off. Documents, turn off this as well. Pictures, and turn off these. Videos, turn off this well. And file, turn off this as well. And after this, just restart your PC and it will reduce your lagging and fix your computer, and your PC and Windows 10 will run smoothly. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.